Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to back up WhatsApp images in Google Photos. For that, firstly, you need to make sure that you have given full access to your WhatsApp and your Google Photos. To know that, you need to go on your settings. At the search bar, you need to search WhatsApp. Now at the third, you can see the option Photos. Tap over there. If your option is a none or limited access, make sure to keep it in full access. You can see that I have given full access. Now go back. Again search Google Photos. Now at the first you can see the option Photos. Tap over there. Again make sure that you have tapped on full access or else the backup photos won't be saved. Now go to your WhatsApp. Now tap on the photo that you want to save. Bottom left you can see the share icon. Tap over there. At the first you can see the option save. Tap over there. Now you can check that the photo has been saved to your Google Photos. To check it, you can go to your Google Photos. Here you can see that the WhatsApp image has been saved to your Google Photos. This is how easily you can back up WhatsApp images in Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.